am Roshni. So for today's video I have a Nykaa haul. It's been a really long time that I did one of them, and yeah, I am 1 week late also with my videos. Actually, I was having my own time with all sorts of health issues and feeling tired, so that kind of stuff. Before starting this video, I just want to make it clear that I am not promoting online shopping because of the lockdown and the pandemic we are going through. It's just that I was at home and my makeup stuffs are at hostel, so I needed few products that I ordered. So yeah, I hope there will be no hate, only positivity, because that is what we need right now in this kind of situation. ज़्यादा देर न करते हुए चलते हैं सीधा इस वीडियो की तरफ। ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने ली हैं। I know it's quite a lot, but मैंने पहले ही सारे पैकेट्स हटा दिए हैं so that it will be easy for me to show you guys. So the very first product that I got from Nykaa is the BB cream by Pond's. This is the tiny version and look how cute it is. Now this costs for rupees 82. I thought like daily video ke liye why to waste foundation when I can just use this and just to cover up my blemishes or something for natural looks. So I got this. Next is Tri Sugar contour thing. I really like this. I had the big version, like the contour palette with highlight and blush. So this is in the shade 01 topper. Now this costed me for 379. Discount चल रहा था तब मैंने लिया था Nykaa से. So yeah, this is the next one. And then I got this one from Swiss Beauty. This is the primer and mattifying setting powder. So I've used this once and I quite like it. I'll not say I'm a big fan of it. So the powder is like really thin, or should we say sheer, and it is perfect for setting. Actually, I won't say it is working good as a primer because I did apply it and it made my skin so dry, though I am oily. But if a dry skin person uses it as a primer, I'll say a no-no, a big no-no. Do not use it as a primer. But maybe it will work for some of you, but it didn't work for me as a primer. Okay, this one costed me for like 249. If you're wondering when I'm looking at my phone, like the order list, so that I can tell you the price. Also, all the product details will be in the description bar below if you want to check it out. So the next one that I got is the Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. This is one of my favorite, and this is my second, what should we say, second kit. Yeah, so this has like one dark powder, one light powder, and a wax. I love this thing. It sets your eyebrows really good. And it has also two brushes, like one brush with one spoolie and a brush and a eyebrow tweezer. Like this is savior right now when the parlors and everything are closed. Also like it has a mirror. Like few of you, if you don't know, it does contain a mirror, which is really good. This one costed me for like 399. इसमें discount नहीं था. So but I got it because I really like it and I didn't have eyebrow pencil. You need eyebrow pencil. So pencil, eyebrow kit. So whenever you go on Nykaa's website and whenever you look at Nykaa's product, basically Nykaa's product, so there is always this offer that if you buy something more than 1500 rupees, you get this thing, that thing free. So yeah, I did that. I shopped for like more than 1500 few of the products and I got a lipstick free. We'll come to that. Let's start with the lashes. Now if you know me, I am really bad at applying lashes, like really bad. And I remember I ordered Miss Claire का eyelash glue and I didn't have eyelashes. So I thought दो तो मेरे hostel में छूट गए हैं, the pretty ones. Even I tried to put it on, but मेरे से हुआ नहीं. I need to get like acquainted with lashes because everyone is doing it and I'm like only mascara. I'm like, it's personal choice. I love mascara, to be honest. But yeah, these are the two lashes. So the first one is major length. So this is not that dramatic. It's like very natural and very lengthy, and I quite like it. Now this one costed me 4 rupees. Let me tell you, 159. It's actually for 200, like 199, and yeah, I really like this. They also have glue for you inside, which is just not worth it. You need to buy another glue for yourself. And the next one is this one, a bit dramatic one. This is the Turn Up the Drama, and this one costed me for like full price 199. I don't know why it's like that. Like कुछ में discount था, कुछ में नहीं था. But yeah, this was the second one. Don't we all love Nykaa's beauty blender? I love Nykaa's beauty blender because I use it personally. I got one from Purple. I'll show it in my next haul. But yeah, I got this one. I usually like this one because it's really soft and good. So I got it in purple color, and the price is full price to 425 rupees. And I think it's a bit costly, but again, for good base you need good tools also. So sometimes ऐसा होता है कि there are few products जो आप काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ करते हो, but अचानक से you just forget about them. So you know, Nykaa concealer stick is one of them in the shade 02 foundation stick. Actually this is natural buff. This I used to use in my second year of college, and like first second year के time में मैंने खरीदा था. That is like 2017 or 18, and then I completely forgot about it. I got over with it, by the way. This is my second one, like the newest, and I'm like, should get it. It's really good, guys. This one costed me for like 473. Its actual was 525. So yeah. Next, moving on, let's look onto lipstick. So the first one that I got is the Nykaa Molten Matte. I love this range. Like I love it so much. Now I got this in the shade Rachel 01. This is a pretty nude shade, and yeah, so this is how it looks. It somewhat looks same to me as Robin 14 that I have. Robin 14 that I have. But I love this formula of this lipstick range basically, and I have 3 of them, so I really like it. It's really matte and it's like not irritable, like you'll not feel chapped actually. I really love this. Oh, this can be used as a like lip and cheek tint types. Like you can use this as a blush also. And the next one that I got is the Nykaa mini version. Look how cute this is. This is in the shade 05 Madras Kapi, and I again got this in a nude shade. Now you will think am I mad because they both look kind of same, but no, they are not same. They are slightly different. Actually, I love nude shades. This one was like for 239 mini one, but I got it for like somewhat 100 and something because discount tha. And this one I forgot to tell you guys, just a second. This one I got it for 473, which is actually the price of this is actually 525. So yeah, I got it in a good deal. Now after purchasing all of that Nykaa stuff, you get a lipstick free, anything free. It depends on what they provide. So this time I was really happy with what they sent me as the free product. It's not red, it's not pink, it's nude. Oh my god, I don't know how Nykaa people know that, but they sent me the nude. So when I purchased all the products for 1500, this time they were giving away the powder puff Nykaa thing. So this is also a nude color. All you have to do is just press this and the product, samne aa jayega. I really like this. Oh my god, look at the shade. Like I know all are different, man. Okay, we are left with last few products. Next I got the In Color gel eyeliner. Now this has a black gel eyeliner and a brown one. these two come with two brushes. I've already used it in many of my Instagram tutorial, and if you don't follow me on my Instagram, everything is linked in my description bar below. Do check it out and do follow me. So yeah, these two are the brushes. One you get the angular one and one you get a flat one. So these are the products that you get, and I have not used the brown one yet, but the black one is really good. I really like it. Oh, also this one was for rupees 299. Yeah, इसमें कोई discount नहीं था, but I had to get it because I was lacking products. Next, I got some products from Insight Cosmetics. Now, उनपे भी कुछ ऐसा सेल टाइप का था कि if you buy something more than $6.99 or $5.99, you get a compact free. So I thought, let's get a primer. I have heard a lot of like good reviews about this. The Insight Primer 3-in-1 moisturizes, protects and primes, long-lasting, oil-free. So I wanted to try it out, and it's a good amount actually. Now this one costed me for like 240 rupees, and I think it's not bad. I like it. Used it once actually. I used it today, and yeah, it kind of blurred out the pores. I have to see, like, use it more 2 to 3 times so that I could give my perfect review about it. Next, I was searching for a concealer. So this one is the one that I was searching for, Insight concealer, but this was out of stock. This is the dupe for Elegal Pro concealer. Like, it matches and it works as good as Elegal Pro concealer because I've seen the reviews and everything. But then I got this one. This one was there. So this is the Insight Makeup Essential 2X Cover Master Concealer, and this is in the shade 01 Sun Beige. Now basically every product from all the ranges of other companies, I go for beige or sun beige and it matches my skin tone. And this one is quite pink toned but yellow also. So like this could be used for highlighting purpose or just for color correcting. I don't mind, I'm not mad at it, I'm okay with it, but it does a good job. This one was for 110 though. And then after purchasing all of them, I got a compact free. Look at the color, how pretty this is. This is their mineralized pressed powder with SPF 24. This has a good mirror in it, a sponge that we guys really use, the plastic, and this is the one product. Ooh. It's soft and it's blendable. I'll be coming up with all the videos that like जो सारे pending हैं, like how I click my photos, Amazon haul, random haul videos, because आज ही मेरा ring light का stand आया and I'm so happy about it कि freely now I can just shoot around. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button and do hit the bell notification button so that मैं जब भी एक नया वीडियो डालूँ आपके फ़ोन में नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. And guys, do subscribe because it's free, and do share this video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, until next time, bye guys.